Hello.
Where are we? Are we bowling?
We are at, what's it called?
Fleetway.
Fleetway, and we're doing bowling right now, as you can tell by the shoes.
Who's going up first? I am, so you can keep recording right now.
Okay.
But
So this is the bowling alley.
Yeah. So we're going to be doing a part 2 to this too. Spoiler alert.
Monkey
It
Jam.
has something to do with the jungle gym, and we're going to be playing
And hide and seek.
I'm trying to find a picture. It's ginormous.
Yeah.
It's the biggest one I've seen in my life. So we're going to play hide and seek extreme.
Yeah. Alright. So let's
Who's
watch
next?
the bowl.
Okay. My sister. Can I see? Let's go check this out. I'm next. Oh, so close. Okay, I'm gonna pick mine up so I'm ready.
Did you almost get a strike?
Yeah. She had one left.
Use that one, that's lighter.
Okay. Oh right, you get 2 goes, don't you?
Bounce off, bounce off. Come on.
Come on, John.
I gotta wait until it loads. Yeah.
Okay, John. You got this.
I don't feel like
Just got one again.
I got
So
one
this
more.
time you should do it kind of slow and time for right over the bumper because you won't go in the gutter.
John,
So
they
right-
bounce it off of that, and then try to bounce it off of that.
What the heck? Now it's gonna roll so slowly. What did I do? We're gonna need someone.
No, it'll go all the way up.
It's gonna take a while. I didn't. What did I do?
I swear it's just gonna get like an inch away.
You should use this one here, Ryan, because it's the lightest one, okay?
Yeah, that's the one I use. Go, Ryan. You ready?
I have a 10-pin link available for Amanda. Amanda, please speak.
I'm gonna come up with you.
Can I go?
Can you go? Yeah, you can go. Oh! I was good. 3 left. I think you can get them. If you try to get it over to the corner there, if you try to get it over to the corner, then you should get them. Yeah, there's another light one.
Hold stick, John.
That might be. You had one. He had one left.
Ah!
We all got nine.
We all of us have 9s.
Yeah, we're all tied up after the first frame.
all tied.
Yeah, Taylor, when we go into the jungle gym, we want that on your phone. I don't even know if I know how to. Oh.
Nice sound.
Yeah, one more though.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta go right away though, right? So,
How much minutes has it been? 3. That's
Almost 4.
that's. We still got a lot of time. Oh right, we also have the mini golf.
Oh yeah. We also have mini goals. Maybe we can make a putt for you.
I don't know. Oh,
he got it.
That's fair.
That's fair, yeah.
Yeah.
19.
I feel like all of the pins left. I would have got them all on that.
I try to get a good angle on this. I want to try. Taylor, I'm gonna get a good angle. What do you think about that, Taylor? Huh? What do you think about that? Oh, you actually have three left. You ready, Ryan? She had 2 left. Okay, Ryan.
Come on, John.
Two left.
John.
You're next. Ryan, are you ready? No going back. I can't go into other lanes. Are you on our profile?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's winning? I think you are, Di.
Right now, yeah. Ryan could tie it up with me though.
What?
Ryan could tie it up with me if he gets these all down.
If you get this down, you're tied up in first.
I'm gonna give it those 4.
Oh, so close!
1 point behind me. Ryan's in second place.
And me and Taylor are tied in third.
Yeah.
There's the scoreboard. Taylor, just dance. Good. Close. Ryan, how did you feel about that last thing you just did?
Oh, it's so close.
You're in second. After my dad. You're so upset. To be fair though, there was no way you were gonna get that other one. It was way too far away.
I did so good.
Yeah, he got 4 kills.
And
2 of them with a.
I kept making first close because I went too close to other people.
Look at that guy go.
Too easy to kill people. Okay, I should probably vlog this now.
Yep.
Oh, that's good, Taylor. That looks good.
I wonder who's gonna get the fish straight first. John, I wonder who's gonna get the fish straight. I wonder who's gonna get the fish straight.
My dad was close, but he got a spare.
Yeah, like throw it hard and right.
Alright, John, it's your turn.
Got this. Thanks. But I don't.
I restrict you to not wear headphones when John goes up. Okay, John, I have to say it. I restrict you when John's going up, do not wear headphones.
Yeah.
Because you make spam it getting down. John, bounce it off that.
I'm not getting it.
Oh!
No!
Alright. Come on, John.
Okay, Ryan. No going back.
Oh, don't let me fail.
You're not. I don't think he's getting it. I don't think he's getting a spare.
Could happen still. Could happen.
35? Daddy!
I know. I'm kind of a big deal.
Come on, Ryan. You're gonna get the 3, I think. That's all right.
I still in second?
Yeah, you're still in second. Oh, you're tied with me right now, but no, you're gonna change. Yeah, me and you are tied in second. Me and Ryan are tied in second.
Yeah.
You're going down, boy.
He's going down. Right in the middle.
How did that one not go down?
Right in the middle too. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. It's crazy. Ryan, actually, I get to go before you, so maybe I will. Maybe I will beat you.
No makes that bad.
Want to go off now?
Yeah, sure. no. Oh. Okay. Ryan, let's see if you can beat me. Oh, me and Taylor, we're tied in second. Want to go?
I need to get at least one.
Yeah, if you get a strike, you're tied with us again. If you get a strike, you'll be back in second.
Oh, I didn't.
No. You might be able to get a spare. You got a pretty good area. I think you might get a spare. Ryan, ready? Gonna get your run up.
Oh, put fell over.
Ryan, one of them fell over. Uh-oh. One of them fell over for him. One of them fell over for him.
33.
How many minutes?
You tied with Taylor.
Ryan?
Yeah, you tied with your sister.
You're right under us. Okay, I think we can get one more of these in, Ryan. And then, Ryan, you can't get it.
I know. What am I doing wrong here?
Ryan, I think we'll be able to get one more of all of us.
This video's been 12 minutes. Should we end it?
No, we'll end it after all of us, after this one.
Okay, it's been 12 minutes. Okay.
Fleetway Fun.
Yeah, you should call it Fleetway Part 1.
Fleetway Part 1, and then I can put a dash and put bowling.
And then for the next...
Pyeongchang.
Alright. It's Taylor's turn.
I'm gonna get ready. You're the only. Wait, Ryan, were you the one that striked it? Did you strike it?
No,
No, it was Taylor.
Yeah.
Taylor.
Alright, John. It's your turn. Come out. It's your turn.
Ryan, you're the last person to go, and then we're ending the video.
Halfway through the game after that.
Yeah.
You know, we just got a spare there.
No! Okay, Ryan, let's go in the video then. Okay. So basically, this is gonna be the end of the video, but there will be a part 2.
At the jungle gym and probably the golf course.
Maybe. I don't even know if we're doing it. I'll ask after this video.
Okay. See you guys. Bye.